Carrie has decided to serve on an advisory panel, but is a bit nervous since it's her first time, so she calls her friend Pat, who has experience serving on panels, for advice.
Hi Pat.
Oh,
how are you?
Hey Carrie, how are you?
Great. I'm calling because I've agreed to sit on an advisory panel for the first time next week. I'm a bit worried about what to expect.
Oh, that's great. What's the panel about?
Yeah, the panel's on acute otitis media, and they sent over some papers for me to look at. I'm a bit nervous because I think I'm going to be the only consumer rep on the panel, and the information they've given me is really intimidating.
I understand. From my own experience, I recommend you read all those materials and do a little research on your own well ahead of time. Now, if you don't know what a particular medical term means, or if you want to know more about the condition, why don't you look at some medical literature on the internet to give you more information? When I was preparing, I checked out the Cochrane Library. That gave me lay summaries along with the reviews. It might help you make sense of things. But if you still can't find the answers you're looking for, just write down your questions and ask the panel.
Wow, this Cochrane Library's great. I'll definitely have a closer look over the next few days and write down some questions. I was even looking at Wikipedia the other day and noticed it has references to Cochrane information.
I know, it's great, isn't it? I just love it. But one more thing I was thinking. Before you start anything, think about your objective of why you're going to be on the panel. You know, for example, what's the question that you want them to address for all the other consumers? Why are you doing this? You know, what value will you add? In my experience, you may have to repeat yourself a few times before the other panel members can hear what you're trying to say. Just make sure you don't lose sight of your point at the meeting.
That's really helpful, Pat. Thanks a lot. I'll let you know how it goes, sure.